parasitic infection found in humans, which is formerly known as tinnitus. Tapeworms are flatworms that live inside of a host body, and they can be digested in 3 forms: eggs, larvae, and adult tapeworms, which can be found in contaminated food and or water. They come in 3 species: Tinea saginata, which is the beef tapeworm, Tinea solium, which is the pork tapeworm, and Tinea asiatica, the Asian tapeworm, which is found commonly in parts of Asia. Humans can contract this infection through undercooked or raw meat, unhygienic contact with cattle, or contaminated water. Untreated tapeworms can lead to a very serious disease which is known as cysticercosis, a parasitic infection. The larval cyst will affect the brain, muscle, and other tissues and lead to frequent seizures. Cysts on the brain or spinal cord can lead to stroke and or death.
There is not much record of tapeworm infection from the early days due to the lack of documentation and the fact that they may be asymptomatic. Although tapeworms are a constant threat to livestock, wildlife, and fisheries, there has only been 1/3 of the tapeworm population that has been named and or described. Because there are many different varieties of parasitic worms, it is hard to just research one type.
We can protect ourselves from tapeworm infection by maintaining good hygiene and cooking food properly. To eliminate livestock exposure to the tapeworm infection, it is important to keep them in clean housing. If an animal has already been affected by the tapeworm, it is important to get them treated as quickly as possible. We can prevent ourselves from the tapeworm infection by practicing good hygiene. It's important to always wash your hands after using the restroom to prevent the spread of eggs. If the eggs have spread to your food, there are ways to get rid of them. 1. Properly cook your food to the correct temperature. Or you may freeze them for 12 hours for chicken or beef, or 24 hours for fish to kill the egg larvae.